Tall and attack-minded or attack-oriented backcourt in Devon Potts and Robert Bolick.
Oo. These tall players of San Beda, baka maging problema rin ulit yon para sa Perpetual. Rebounding. Yun yung depensa niya dito kay Bright Acueti ang mawawala.
And here they come again. Bolick to Potts. Potts pulls the trigger. Devon Potts.
Hindi nagsasayang, hindi nag-aaksaya ng oras itong San Beda.
So that's a long two.
Catch and shoot of transition si Devon Potts.
Mocon. Iniwasan itong si Ese. JV Mocon is able to flip it up and in.
Hindi madali yung tira ni JV Mocon over the outstretched arms of Prince Ese.
And now San Beda coach. Hindi pong natutukayan ang Phil Oil Flying V Center venue para sa ating pangatlong laban ngayong Martes. This is of Donald Tangwa. Keith Pino, the defensive-minded point guard with a steal. Daryl Singontico finishes the
Laro nila pero 6 lang itong hinahabol nila.
Daga. Taps it to Presbitero. Keith Pino comes up with a steal. Keith Pino to Mr. Brightside for the throwdown.
Si Keith Pino, kanina pa natin nakita, is doing a lot of things, especially on the defensive end. Getting a lot of opportunities para sa kanyang koponan.
Dagamon, binigay kay Acueti. Easy back. At meron tayong mga former NCAA players na naglalaro sa Goodwill Games sa Kuparan. Finished as the #1 seed for the 10th straight year. Nung nakaraang taon, Devon Potts hits it from the corner.
Just like in the first quarter where he started the game with a basket and Sara to sa kanyang likod. But he's not 100% and that's why one of the reasons why si Dan Sares nitong ating dalawang koponan.
Dagamon, basket is good for Gab Dagamon.
Humihingi pa ng foul ito si Gab Dagamon, dalawang players.
And Bayo is also in the game now for the Red Lions. GJ! Nulong pass para kay Dan. Presbitero over Ese. Wild shot, but somehow Jomari Presbitero got it over Ese.
And good defense para sa...
Isang quarter na lang ang natitira dito sa bakbakan sa pagitan ng Perpetual at ng San Beda.
Ngayon na hinahabol nila. Oops, the turnover. Panimula ng ating fourth quarter. Turnover agad para kay Gab Dagamon.
Simula para sa Perpetual and the reaction of Coach Jim Welkikan.
Normally, to start a quarter, you do not go back.
Pabor sa Perpetual. Acueti, one-on-one. Ilagan for three. GJ!
Not use that dribble.
Sara nakalusot sa ilalim. Acueti, one-on-one. Kontra kay Adamos. Mr. Brightside gets stuffed by Benedict Adamos. Soberano for three. Pinabas dito kay Raj Topo. Soberano free for three. Presbitero binigay dito kay Bocon. Bocon kicks it out. Soberano, AC Soberano.
You cannot give a lot of opportunities dito sa San Beda Red Lions. Numerous occasions doon na nakuha nila.
Sara. Bolick, umatake. Robert Bolick
Going to the Final Four.
San Beda improves its record to 13-4 at mahulog naman ang Perpetual with a 11-6 win.